You are welcome to another exciting episode full of opportunities on events update. This program is brought to you by the Association of African Universities, and it is all about upcoming higher education events and scholarship opportunities for African scholars. Now let's get into it. The Association of African Universities, AAU, is hosting 2 continental social media workshops in 2024, aimed at enhancing the social media capabilities of higher education institutions in Africa. The workshops will provide expert sessions, hands-on training, and networking opportunities specifically tailored for university social media officers. Despite progress in social media usage, many institutions lack strategic approaches, dedicated personnel, and training. These workshops, building on previous successful editions, will be held from August 21 to 23 in Accra, Ghana for Anglophone participants and from November 4 to 6 in Senegal for Francophone participants. The aim is to equip participants with the latest trends, tools, and strategies in social media marketing and communications, fostering knowledge exchange and collaboration among professionals. The workshops will feature interactive sessions covering various aspects of social media strategy, including goal setting, content creation, AI impact, and performance evaluation. Participants will be facilitated by experienced experts and an open forum to professionals responsible for overseeing social media operations within their universities. Interested participants can register online via the links on your screen or contact Ms. Elsie Fimpo via email at afimpo@aau.org and copy Ms. Ludumo Delamini at ndelamini@aau.org. Applications are now open for the 2025 Africa Center for Energy Policy ACEP Next Generation Resource Governance Leaders Program. This internship aims to balance theoretical knowledge with practical application, equipping young African leaders with multidisciplinary intellectual development, practical skills, and research abilities to tackle complex governance challenges. The 7th cohort of the program will run from September to November 2024, providing participants with opportunities for training, mentorship, and innovation, along with a generous stipend, free lunch, decent accommodation for international participants, and a return ticket. Eligible applicants must be young Africans residing in Africa with relevant academic qualifications, good writing skills, knowledge of qualitative and quantitative analytical tools, strong leadership qualities, and a passion for sustainable development of the continent's extractive resources. The application deadline is August 11, 2024. Required documents include a CV, degree certificates, a motivational statement, a written reference, and a response to an essay question. For more information, visit the official webpage of the ACEP Next Generation Resource Governance Leaders Program. The GI-TOC Resilience Fund is launching a new fellowship to support journalists in investigating illicit economies and instability in West Africa, specifically targeting Ghana, Côte d'Ivoire, Togo, Benin, and Nigeria. This fellowship, part of the GI-TOC's flagship Resilience Fund, offers successful applicants grants to develop in-depth investigative pieces that link organized crime to instability issues. Grantees will benefit from tailored capacity building sessions, mentorship, project management assistance, and opportunities for networking and collaboration through virtual workshops, trainings, and dialogues. They will also join the Resilience Fund community platform for ongoing support and global engagement. The fellowship is open to journalists from the targeted countries who exhibit a clear understanding of illicit economies within conflict ecosystems, contextual relevance, and community resilience. Applications must be submitted online by 13 August 2024. For more information, visit the official webpage of the Resilience Fund Journalism Fellowship West Africa or refer to the link on your screen.
Explore a whole new world of exciting visuals with AAU TV. Get ready for a mix of interesting talk shows, interviews, discovery documentaries, and news on AAU TV. It's not just about watching TV, it's about experiencing something special. AAU TV reaches over 25 countries in Africa, bringing you a blend of knowledge and fun. Learn about different cultures as you enjoy the shows. If you have events or want to showcase your business, we've got you covered. Watch AAU TV free-to-air channel on satellite. Connect with us on Facebook, Instagram, and X, formerly known as Twitter, at AAU TV. Reach out on call or WhatsApp us at +233 26 629 6601 or +233 20 399 5210. AAU TV, the voice of higher education in Africa.
Hello Africa is a live breakfast show that aims to give you, our viewers, an informative, entertaining, and energizing start to your day. This isn't just another news show. It takes the form of vibrant magazine packed with news reviews, lifestyle features, engaging interviews, and interactive segments that put you at the center of the action.
All you have to do is grab your coffee, get comfortable, and join us for the Hello Africa morning show. We are here to kickstart your day with the news and stories that matter to you, alongside all the fun and inspiration we crave.
Every morning, join us for
the latest headlines in African higher education, science, and
quick and informative newspaper and online news review.
Lifestyle tips on fitness, nutrition, fashion, and beauty.
Inspiring interviews with influential figures and everyday heroes.
Performances and interactive contests, and so much more.
In Ethiopia, Salam Africa.
In North Africa, Alan Afrikia.
In Swahili, Jambo Afrika.
Tune in every Monday from 8 a.m. to 10 o'clock GMT. Join us to make it a fantastic day together.
Hello Africa, your daily connection to the continent.
You're still watching events updates on AAU TV. Follow our social media platforms at Association of African Universities on Facebook and YouTube to watch all episodes and to access the links to these opportunities. Moving on. Applications are now open for the 2024 European Union EU Delegation to the Republic of South Africa funded Traineeship. This opportunity is ideal for young graduates interested in international relations and eager to learn about the work of a diplomatic mission. The traineeship, starting in October 2024, will last up to 6 months within the political, press and information section of EU Delegation to South Africa. Eligible candidates must have a university diploma, at least a bachelor's degree in international relations, law, social studies, politics, economics, or similar fields. Excellent English writing and research skills are required, and additional qualifications in other fields or languages are advantageous. Applicants should send an Europad CV, a cover letter, and application form to the address on your screen with the subject line Funded Traineeship -PNI section -EU Delegation to South Africa. Selected trainees will receive a monthly grant to cover living expenses. For more information, visit the official webpage of the EU Delegation to the Republic of South Africa Funded Traineeship or refer to the link on your screen. The Commonwealth Secretariat proudly announces the launch of the Think Trade, Think Green Commonwealth Innovative Youth Essay Award Competition. This competition, organized by the Trade and Youth teams, invites young researchers and students aged 18 to 29 from Commonwealth countries to share their insights on how trade and trade policy can address an aspect of the climate crisis in their country. Participants must write an essay of up to 2,000 words, identify specific problems linked to the climate crisis, and explaining how trade or trade policy can be part of the solution. The top 3 essays will be published and launched at the Commonwealth Heads of Government meeting in Samoa in October and be awarded with prizes accordingly. Essays should be submitted as a single PDF or Word file with 1.5 spacing and Times New Roman font. Include your name, age, nationality, contact information in a CV or short bio. Email your submissions to tcs@commonwealth.int by August 21, 2024. Winners will be informed by September 2, 2024. For more details, visit the official webpage of Teen Trade, Teen Green, Commonwealth Innovative Youth Essay Award Competition. The Union for the Mediterranean UfM is now accepting applications for the 2024 UfM Med Youth Lab, a 5-day skill-building event in Fes, Morocco from November 25 to 29, 2024. This event aims to equip young individuals with project development and soft skills through team working on project proposals related to green skills, youth mobility for educational and professional exchange, and youth engagement in multi-stakeholder dialogue. The final day will feature a pitch event organized by the UfM with support from the German Development Corporation in collaboration with the Euro-Mediterranean University of Fes, Anna Lindh Foundation, and the European Institute of the Mediterranean. This initiative aligns with the UfM Youth Agenda Call for Action and the UfM Youth Strategy 2030. It focuses on environment and climate action, education and employment, and social inclusion and participation. Eligible participants must be aged 18 to 29, nationals of UfM member states, and possess a valid travel document beyond May 30, 2025. An intermediate level of English and previous knowledge or experience in one of the thematic clusters are required. Up to 45 successful applicants will receive full coverage of travel, accommodation, visa, and meals. Applications must include personal and professional information, a copy of a travel document, and a motivation video in English, maximum of 3 minutes. For more details and to apply, visit the link on your screen. That is all for this episode. Thank you for watching. This program is brought to you by the Association of African Universities. Don't forget to follow our social media handles at Association of African Universities on Facebook and YouTube, and our dedicated website at tv.aau.org. See you next time.